Hello, welcome to Custom to Venture. I want to say big thank you to all my returning subscribers. I want to thank those ones that are watching my video for the first time. I want to say you are highly welcome. You are in the right place. And for those ones that have been watching my video this time and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe and let's keep the ministry going forward. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. A shout out to you. Ooh, thanks so much. I appreciate you. Okay, and each time you watch my video, and please don't forget to like it, share my video, tell a friend to tell a friend, and please, you are free to make any request of the design you want, and then subscribe. Beside the subscribe button, you will see the bell icon. Click on it so that each time my new content come out, each time I upload new content, you'll be able to be among the first group of people that will get it, because you are so important. And that is why you must click on that bell icon so that you can get it fast into your devices. Thank you so much. Today I'll be putting on a pattern on the handkerchief sleeve and handkerchief blouse. Okay, handkerchief sleeve and then the blouse too. Okay, follow me as I go. Thank you so much. So I'll be drafting it on this pattern paper. I have my pattern paper here. Okay, if you take note of the handkerchief, the literal handkerchief, they're usually in a square shape. That is, both all the angles, all the lines are the same. Okay, this is what I'll be working with, a square shape. So I'll be folding it into two, the first fold and then the second fold. Okay, so I'm going to insert my sleeve measurement here. Look at this side, this is where I'm going to take it. And then the sleeve measurement is the round sleeve measurement is 13 inches. 13 inches divided by 6.2. Beautiful. How did I get it? If you want to get the round sleeve, you divide it by 6.2. Okay, you don't want to calculate, you can just divide your 13 inches by 4 and then measure whatever you get here. But I've already divided by 6. You can use your calculator to measure, to calculate it. So 13 divided by 6.2, I got 2.2 inches. So my 2.2 inches, I'm going to measure it from here this way. 2.1 inches. 2.1. From this 2.1, you are still going to have a little excess. You can make it 2. If you measure it by 2, you are going to get exact measurement. But because of the sewing allowance there, just leave it as 2.1 that you measure. 2.1. So the next thing, connect them together. And then we're going to be cutting it. So now this because it's an handkerchief design, you're not going to have the same measurements here. Look at it. From here is 6 point something. Here is a 10. So that's how you're going to have it. Okay, so I cut out this. I've always advised all the scissors we use for pattern paper should be different from the one we use for our fabric. Okay, So this is where it's going to be. So because it's there, I'm going to double this, so I will need 2 of this. So what do? I just place it on another pattern paper and I cut it out. I will need 2 of it. Okay, so put this one aside. So just go ahead, fold it the same way. Place this one there. Make sure I set it very well so that I have the same measurement. If you can put extra as you like it to form, so that I can have a little pleating when you are sewing it. So it makes it fuller. Okay, so I have double. This is the first one. Both of this one goes for the same and the same sleeve. This side is going to come out, and we have to double it like this. Okay, so it comes out this way. So this one goes for one sleeve, so I can form layers and make it beautiful. Okay, and then I will cut. That means I'm cutting 4 pieces, 2 for one sleeve and then 2 for another sleeve. Okay, if that is clear to us. So for the round sleeve, then by then I will have cut the sleeve. Then this one will be the edge, at the edge of the sleeve. It's going to come out this way. Okay, I'm going to use it to cut the fabric. It's going to come out this way. Then it will be fixed on the sleeve. So the same method I used in cutting this one is what I'm going to use to cut the round sleeve. Okay, the round sleeve, the waist sleeve is the waist measurement is 44 inches divided by 6.2. I got 7.1 inches. So if I got 7.1 inches, definitely my flare for the handkerchief shape for the waist, the round waist will be bigger than this. So what I'm going to do for that one is just the same way I did for the sleeve. So those places I will be measuring 7.1. Remember, I measured 2.1 here. So for the sleeve, it's going to be something like 7.1. Do I just understand? Let me just go ahead and do it. So for the, this is the sleeve. So I'm only using it to explain for the waist measurement. The waist measurement is 44 inches divided by 6.2. Okay, and then that will give me 7.1. So my 7.1 will be somewhere here. This one is 2.1, so I'm measuring 2.1 here. Okay, maybe I will have not cut it before showing us, but I think I want to guess we are getting it anyway. Okay, seven point one. So I'll be connecting. So, but being that for the waist circumference, which is 44 centimeters, it's going to be longer than the sleeve. Okay, you don't expect me to cut that one with this amount. Okay, this my paper is small. I'll just use this one to measure it, but this one is more for the round sleeve. But it's the explanation I want us to get. So this will be 7.1. So if I cut it now, because this place is ought to be longer for the waist flare, the waist handkerchief. Okay, so if I cut this one now, it's going to give me the circumference of the waist. I want to believe I'm understood. So if I cut this now, I will need double of this too. I will need double of it. Okay, so this is how the waist will come. Wow. So if I need double of it, I will just again, like how I cross the sleeve flare. I want to believe I'm understood. Thanks so much if you have learned anything new here, or you have been reminded of what has been done before. Please don't forget to give thumbs up, like it, and then subscribe. Thanks so much. God bless you. This is how the sleeve will be, and this is how the waist, the waist circumference will be. By the time you tape it, you can give it little pleating so that you come out beautifully. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.